The restaurant is the one at the entrance, right? There we have a buffet for breakfast and dinner, but also a la carte.
Okay.
If the clients come with the half board or breakfast included, they can do it there. Or if it's not included, they can pay and use it there. Right? And here we have a snack bar, but it's the open time
Yeah.
from 11 till 5 till 6. Now it's till 5. In summer it's a bit longer.
So you have all the apartments facing the inwards?
No, we have face to the pool or face outside.
Outside.
To the street, the one this side, to the other garden here.
Oh, okay. There's another garden there. That is. Ah. Actually, there as well. Nice.
They are all have all 2 exits.
You walk in shower.
Yes,
Yeah.
you can request, but we never warrant.
Yeah, we have, yeah, sure.
But
Yes,
as
yeah. Ja. Mhm. Ég var að reyna að sjá að það Aquamar þarna fyrir ofan. Við erum með það líka, er það ekki?
So downstairs we have the main restaurant, which is the breakfast and the dinner area. We have a spa, which is 1 floor down, which is not open. Still not open because we are going to steer on the so we are not going to take it on that round. It will be a different and they are going to make we
Er þetta borðað úti, skvísur? Það er eitthvað næs.
just snacks, sweet snacks and salty snacks as well. And in the main restaurant there's a separate area, so when you get into the restaurant, this is in my favorite club area, where I have an exclusive club as well. And we have some that I think €1.50, so you can enjoy it. It's heated all year round, heated. And we made the pool. We have a gym, which was the mini club area, which was around the corner on the right. This is now our gym area. It's quite spacious because the mini club was spacious.
Okay.
And we are now the machines which you see right now, they will be there for the next 2 weeks, and then we are going to have new machines. No, it was it was hotel. It was, I believe, not the apartment. It was also
It was a hotel.
just hotel. Yes, family friendly. So they had many families. Yes. Porque a mí la niña no se-
No, it's only 16 or older. Or,
Yes.
Yeah.
16 above.
Yeah.
My favorite because of the amenities.
Ég er gott í þessu, ég kann að sjá það. Við þurfum að láta fólk vita, þetta er góð rúm. Það er okkur spurt. Já. Hvernig er rúmið? Já.
Yeah.
Nóa sjampói og stækkunarspegil, alltaf plús. Alltaf plús.
Bara ef hann dettur ekki af vögnum.
Tampoco sucede.
Nei, hún var að segja það.
Já.
Hún var að segja að það er bara verður tómir.
Já, það er ekki.
The normal style they have this, they are based in front of sea, and they have an amazing view to the sea. So the views are great, but they don't have a balcony. So they say, okay, the views are great. So the first time I saw them, one of those, we says, oh, they're great. So if I don't need a balcony,
Já, það er fallega.
En samt alveg með ákveðnum hömlum því að það getur auðvitað að koma stofnum svona í herbyggið.
Já.
Og það er ekkert ákveðan eitthvað. Við erum með sæmanlík og erum núna við vegginu. Að við vorum með svoleiðis, það er ákveðin.
Við þurfum bara að fylla yfir standart og þetta gerir það.
Já, já. Oh, very nice.
To say to all the clients who get this common balcony,
so it's not finished. We are going to put tables. The idea is to put tables and chairs as well. This one is okay. Like panoramic views over the mountains as well, and
Yeah.
the carts.
Yeah. And also the service.
Yeah.
Oh, nákvæmlega.
Hyatt is the group, and Hyatt has more or less 29 brands. And Alua is one of the brands. Alua, Dreams, Secrets, Breathless, Surgery, they belong to RM Resorts. It's an American company as well, which was bought from Hyatt 5 years ago. Hyatt bought Appalachia Group, the tour operator in the States, and they bought RM Resorts.
time after breakfast, everyone is going up to the rooms.
Hvað? Þú sér það. Is it a private beach for the hotel?
No, this is a beach.
Er eru tveir.
The music bar.
With the phone or the app here, I get every information about the activities, the program, the show program, the spa. The weather is good condition, we have a good time here.
Find in this area, which are actually apartments. Okay.
Oh.
Here.
Mhm.
Someone is being throwing rubbish tray in the morning.
Oh.
Maybe it's the wind.
Sun Beach.
Salt Sand Beach, yes.
So, og líka svo sagði að þetta er eina íbúðahótel sem er svona nála strandinni.
Hér.
Hér,
Svo er
þetta
það
svæði.
alveg með
Já.
amerísku strandinni.
Our hotel is a little hotel, also with a property community. But our hotel is 133 rooms from the hotel activity. Okay?
Because there are some owners.
Also owners.
Here. Also our
The rest
owners.
is we have owners also outside of the hotel.
Usually, maybe.
Now I will show you two types of rooms. We are making reforms labor actually now, and I will show you one standard normal room without the reform and one new also. Okay?
Okay.
So if you go,
This is non-renovated.
Yeah.
Non-renovated.
They all have all air conditioning. And do they all have the sunbeds in the bathroom?
no, because we normally we have 7, 8 units in the hotel. It's one bedroom apartment, sea view, and the terrace bigger. We try to put the sunbeds inside the terrace.
Usually 8 units
Yes,
like this.
exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, the rest is like a balcony.
The same, but without the sunbeds.
Yeah. But when people come here, do they know if they get the renovated apartment or not, or is it just not?
Repite.
No, que estoy pensando que cuando los consejeros vienen para acá,
Sí.
¿saben que, antes de venir si van a tener apartamento renovado o...?
Sí.
Ah, vale, sí.
Yes.
Lo veis por el tipo de
Yes, we have new categories.
Yeah,
And,
yeah, okay, yeah.
and they are on sale.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
they know.
Okay.
is if they know, maybe we always make a upgrade in the reception. We announce that we have this new product. Right?
No, I'm
I'm not sure if we have it in contract because they have renovated like 60 units of reception. Right. Yeah. Okay. First of all, here we have the reception, right? We have another bar on the side. They're open around 10:30 in the morning until 11 o'clock at night. Okay. Then we have here is a restaurant. It's not from us. It's an extra company, and it's a Indian, Chinese, and Sicily. And they're open around 6 o'clock p.m. until 11 o'clock. Right. Then if you come twice a month, we make a party for customers. Right. It's a barbecue and a show. It's outside and then a DJ. In another side is opposite of us. Then we are going to check the show I want to show you, and you can see how it's breakfast. Okay? And there is the
Ja.
No, there was a kitchen, but we close it because we have appointment with the kitchen.
Yeah, okay.
All these units used to be apartments with kitchen, but the property decided to close almost the kitchen because it's a lot to maintain for the cleaners and so on. And because they have a really good food service, they only keep a few units with kitchen. That we also have it in the contract. So she's Andrea. She will come to show you a little bit the hotel.
Yes. Hallo? Jo, det heter Compostela.
Den trivdes så räcker med. Nej, hotellringen. Ja, just det.
Permíteme mirarlo porque nunca he estado.
So welcome to Partila Park Hotel. Now it's a 4-star hotel. We became 3-star hotel, 4-star hotel. We were 3-star hotel and we made a change in 2021. Recently, we refurbished the whole hotel and now we're so we normally we have self-catering, bed and breakfast, half wall, or all inclusive. I think it's important. 1-bedroom apartment, street view. But we have
Street view, yeah.
view and full view.
Fína svalir. Nei.
En ég var að vita að ég vissi ekki að kemst upp á hóttur mann.
Ekki með öllöfisum.
Það er ekki einn íbúð. Það er ekki samt, það er bara þess að það er samlega. Já, þetta er örugglega öflugra. Það myndi mig segja.
Hvað var þarna? Þetta er loft. Circulation. Circulation. See, window circulation. That's nice. Já. Góð uppgötvun. Nei.
En þetta er
Two-bedroom apartment.
Þetta er svolítið dýrt. Catering, bed and breakfast, half wall, or all inclusive. I think it's important for you to know.
It's cold today. It's very nice. All around is the resort because there are 3 hotels, Batra and Sir Anthony.
We have some action going. Whoa. So this is a children's as well. Children's also.
There are 55 rooms. The other suite is mixed. Different floors. Go upstairs. Why?
bara frá heimann.
Hver segir það? Fólk sem fór að koma til okkar.
En ég sagði bara þetta var. En ég meina, ég finnst þetta ekki, þú veist, að það mangist að Dóra bara meira sér sko miklu.
There's more fridge inside in all the rooms the people need.
Is it in all rooms?
All rooms are inside and the safe. They use with the card, the door card.
Okay.
They can open it.
Yeah, no number.
No number.
Oh, good.
On Ketel and so on, this is in all the
I-
rooms. Ketel, the big.
Okay, so I thought this was not in all rooms.
No, no, all rooms have this one.
Okay.
Guests can use it free.
Yeah.
Okay, I was just saying that I just bought a new house and I'm in the mirror.
Second floor. Oops, sorry. Það þarf að prófa það okkar? Já. Já, duglega.
10 manneskuður með 750 kíló, þannig að við erum alveg góðir.
Það er aðalega bara
Plássir.
Þetta fá svona smá lyfting.
Þetta líður hérna eftir okkur bara prosecco og kaffi. Já, alveg plássir fyrir okkur.
Two persons. Two persons. No sofa bed.
Svona sumigæð, það svona sumigæð.
En það vantar hér, en það er hér. How many rooms? 555, 555.
Sæk ykkur í kvöld.
I'm guessing can stay here inside or the outside. All fresh made.
Yes.
This should be the main entrance for both for the guests, not the one. This is the place for music. This is the place for games to watch TV, theater.
Oh. Þetta er cinema. Hérna er það komið leikum. Geta börnin verið þetta einn?
Já, svo setur við bara í klössu.
Það er það skráð þjónusta.
Já, hann ekki sé að hótelin þið getið leikt svona barnafíð. Það má ekki gera það einhver tíman. Já, ég held að fá hérna barnafíð og herbyggjum millir 9 og 11 og
Hefur þið séð þetta?
Nei, það er ekki það.
mér finnst þetta alltaf svo fint.
Skýrstöð.
Vá, ok, þetta er svona.
Maturlu staði fyrir bara babystað. Ímyndum þetta að dunda sig við hér. Skauta á jólaföndir og svona.
Media pensione, sì.
No, la media pensione.
Thank you very much. It's really good.
Vale. Okay, so this is the reception, the first floor. Downstairs on the 0th floor there is the buffet, las salinas. where we have breakfast and dinner. And now the restaurant is closed because it opened at 6:30.
My name is Agone from Customer Experience. We are going to have a little tour of the hotel, okay? So first of all, I would like to show you a room on the 5th floor with a full view. Rounded walls, premium walls, okay? Also, we have a QR code where our customers can see the conference menu. We have a huge console list. Olga doing her best. Okay? This is our lounge, some sparkling, some wine. Here are coffee making facilities, a lot of different teas, a water dispenser, and then in the morning here between 10 and 12 we have a small continental breakfast with the cold side and the warm side, and then from 12 to 3 we have this, the snacks, social snacks, about 7 different kinds of floral snacks every day, and then from 3 o'clock we get the afternoon tea, some cakes, macaroni, cookies, cheese and crackers, and so on. Here in the fridge we have beer, normal beer, side favorite beer. The dining room is closed at this time, but you can take a look out. The garden room will have the terrace outside.
I thought it's very big on. Yeah, I thought it's very big on Christmas. So
I love this.
I think it's weird, like being in the sun.
In the sun.
It was crazy when we come here.
Never happened here.
No.
Never. Vamos hacia el spa, gimnasio. ¿No?
Tiene la foto, todo. Y ¿sabes qué pasa? Que todavía tenemos otros 4 o 5 para ver. Aunque bueno, vivimos, vamos adelantando.
Hello, how are you? Everything okay?
Yes.
Let's go to check the room.
We can open the living room.
Hi. All the fridge and a minibar. And it closed.
We opened the area from 9 to 6 o'clock. Now it's just for the winter season because on summer season we open at 9 and we close at 8 o'clock.
Oh.
The people that contract the area, they have inclusive the buffet for the breakfast and for the lunch, and some machines for make their own coffee, restaurant use.
¿A qué piso vas, corazón?
Al 9.
¿Puedo subir también?
Það með verið 13 hér.
Já, ok. Já. Þetta er það saman í Santiago. Já. Það er bara tónlist.
This is for the lunch now. My colleague is switching from the...
For the lunch, yeah.
But only for the, this...
Upland.
The name up. It's like also the legal service, you know?
Hey.
Cute.
Aftur lagið, ég segi það nýbúið. Bless. David, ætlaðu ekki að kissa jólasveininn?
Ég er svo lítil.
Já.
Go to the terrace on the 6th floor. Well, it's in the 7th floor, but the lift only arrived to the 6th floor. Okay, I will show you there the terrace and also the fantastic view that we have from there. After we will show you a room, then you can imagine because most of the rooms are the same. And after we will visit the restaurant, the food area. Okay? Come with me here, please, and we take a lift.
Because it's on the corner, kind of.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe you want to go with them because I know.
Coming out?
I think it's there.
Sjáum við sem sagt sundlaugina frá hinu sjónarhorni.
Já.
Queen, with the heat water, it should be on the right.
Þetta er sundlaugin hér. Já. Mér finnst þetta að vera sundlaugin á bílum.
Já. Nei, hann er volcano.
Já, þetta er alveg mjög næs hérna.
Getur þetta svanur og íbúð?
Já.
Það er stórt.
Já.
Það eru svítur hérna stórar. Hérna fyrir neðan.
Mr. Gover is an introduced team. Mr. Gover is a fantastic man from Scotland, and he visits us 2 or 3 times per year.
Ah.
He's trying to find a girlfriend. If somebody is interested, 4 years old, that is a symbol for us. It's a symbol. Any friend or any help, we will be very grateful. Alright?
Even. Even when you friend, man.
Good luck.
Enjoy yourself, girls. Every one of you are beautiful. No? Not like beautiful.
Ja, we erum echt niet verplicht.
Is he coming alone, David?
Yes.
He comes alone.
Alone, 94 years old.
Oh.
Yeah, but he feels like at home here.
Yeah.
We took one customer 93.
93.
And that's the mini club, and now here is the restaurant. We can go to see the restaurant, and after we are going to see the room. Okay? Just follow me.
Sarah, just there on the right. Very also
Go.
Jú, já, það er svo bara allir. Já. Já, já. Jú, jú, þetta er svona stór.
Yeah, that's what we was talking about. That it's always two beds. Yeah, two king size beds. One 33, 35 or 2 meters. And that is the view from here, and also it's from.
Lo tenemos bien.
Sí, yo lo recuerdo, sí, tenemos cuidado de ponerlo.
Y lo tenemos bien escrito también en nuestra página.
En realidad,
Kettles.
Kettles,
In all the rooms,
yeah.
kettle included.
Okay.
That shows you down, you will see now in a minute. We have also outside the hotel in Pura, and in winter we have the shows down there. And now I'm going to show you the restaurant and also the garden. And you start as night when you take the shots everywhere in the summertime.
Okay.
And in the hotel we have 3 pools. 2 of them are here the whole year, and the other one is the kids pool. Okay, and that is in the middle, that's the pool bar, which is open until 6 today. But very good. Magnífico. Sí, yo creo que sí que la cerramos para las 7.
Jag får för avslösa så för att det inte som upptar mig. Iskapper.
Just like at 1940. This room, and of course, the games is
Club Alexandra is like higher category.
Club Alexander.
Hola, ¿qué tal? ¿Qué tal?
Hello.
¿Eres Mara?
Sí.
Soy Yasmina.
Encantada.
¿Cómo estás?
Bien, ¿vosotros?
Vosotras, un poquito.
Only ladies.
Yes.
Yeah.
Tired.
It's a bit tired now after all day, but
Is it the last visit?
Yeah.
it is. Very happy.
Like some water or maybe?
I'm fine. No, fine.
The last visit?
Actually, 100 are apartments with a fully equipped kitchen, one studio, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom. And if you know the area, it's very centrally located, but it's a quiet resort. So it's a bit of an oasis in the middle of all the busy restaurants and bars and everything.
Is it adults only?
No.
No.
We have
No.
children's pool and it's a
Okay.
quiet hotel because we don't have entertainment or activities.
Oh, I see.
We only offer bed and breakfast. So it's buffet.
Sitten on 2 nýjar kampavín. Drukkum svo mikið fyrir okkur. Íris var hér í jólinn í hittifyrra, já. 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 Og þá lærði ég það að stúdían eru allir hérna.
Yeah, það er hér. It was all fully renovated just before the pandemic.
Yeah.
Het is maar
Þetta voru vinsælt, sko.
Yeah. And this is just the same area.
Yes.
Yeah, no, it's just for.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When we can continue here if you want.
Okay. Heilsaði þessi á íslensku? Já. Já. Nú er það rifjast upp fyrir mér. Já.
No, sorry.
Yes, you can go down to the beach.
Yeah. Is it lift? No, stairs.
Stairs.
Oh, stairs. Okay.
Bitte bara.
Yeah.
Tienes todo. O sea,
Es que tienes todo.
Y este también tiene. Telling me that this kitchen is the non-renovated because the ones overlooking the sea they don't have it renovated yet, but they have other ones with a newer kitchen. Actually. Yeah.
Yeah. And it's white with a bigger fridge.
Okay.
Já, það er kannski eina.
But this one, it looks really good for being non-renovated, actually.
Is this a sofa bed?
Yes, this is sofa bed.
So it could be 4 people here?
It's up to 3 adults,
3.
really. Yeah. It's
Okay.
more like for families, the parents sleeping in the bedroom, and maybe up to
The
2
kids.
children.
Oh, 2 children, 1 adult.
Las terrazas pequeñas, pero algunos que tienen una terraza grande.
Bye. Já, Disco Park Festival. Hæ? Jú, jú. Já, þetta eru svona lítil hús. Þetta er ekki hótel. Já, Disco Park Festival. Hæ? Jú, jú. Já, þetta eru svona lítil hús. Þetta er ekki hótel.
Það er svona
Jacuzzi, svona, já, svona líkandi brunn.
Ég bara, við vorum bara okkur Ég var, ég skil alveg fólk sem svona hliða þessu, en það er, eins og ég segi, ég þurfti að drepa 7 katta eitthvað.
Ég var þetta samt sumartíma, júli, ágúst. Ég sá enga þá. En þá vorum við náttúrulega margar fjölskyldur og við vorum með svona nokkra íbúðir, þú veist, bara í hnapp einhvers staðar og þetta var æðislegt að vera hérna svona fjölskyldu, fannst mér.
Þetta er, það er það sem...
I love it. I've stayed here before. It's really good. Really, really good. Er þetta mikið selt sem svona fyrir hjólastól? En það er samt alveg fyrir svona workways. Can I ask you, do you have any like a wheelchair? Wheelchair.
Yes, but I think
We have a trans wheelchair. Yeah. En samt svona næst. Það var nýlega búið að taka þessu gegn þegar ég var hérna og þetta var ótrúlega næst.
En þetta er samt sko ekki, það er einhverja strendur hér.
No, it depends on the room type you have booked. If you have booked a standard room, you go standard suite. Yeah, it's once per week. Okay. The ocean twice, and our premium room is family room 3 times a week. Three room types in the resort. Suite standard, which is without sea view, suite with sea view, and family room, which is a family with a special added values. But the room layout is quite similar in all the cases. So all the rooms have a separate area. Yeah. Main bedroom, living area where we have a sofa bed and bathroom. And balcony or terrace. In the standard room. Snack bar here where you can have late breakfast. It opens at 10:30 until 6 o'clock, so you can have lunch, also snacks during the day. And this is the quiet music, any animation here. We have 6 pools in total. Mr. Stende? No. And we also have some entertainment here, some music on the stage. So the sunset is just in progress here. They are sharing the space until we have them ready there. So it's Italian and British. Okay? We have a baby room, it's extra, except for if you book a Landi Village, a family room. Yeah. You get it in 1 hour per day. We also have a spa where it's spa and gym is here, and we accept kids from 4 years old onwards in the morning shift to go to the water circuit. But only in the morning. First line of the sunbeds are reserved for the landing families as this added value. During the first time in the morning, they get reserved all the first line by the pool, and they can have the sunbeds reserved. So let's do
Hola.
It's a space where they've got PlayStation, ring light, boosters, whatever. So it's a space for them to hang out. So it's really good. Very popular now. But it's very big. We have 432 rooms here, and they are rooms, no suites. So we have 3 room types: standard, facing the city, the cliff, acantilados, and the luxe room, which is facing the and platinum room, which is our premium room for adults only, for 16 years and older, which have their own facilities inside the hotel. We will see later. So today I can show you a deluxe room, so you can see like room type, and they are quite similar, the same layout, different views. And this hotel is not adults only, but it's focused more in adults. Adults strategy. Yes. Adult. I'm gonna check out the
fint. Eitthvað. Hello, thank you.
Depending on the room size.
On the room type.
Yeah.
Standard 1, deluxe 3, and platinum 3.
Yeah.
We have 3 communal pools here. One is our Talasso pool. Treatments, we have a small menu, so these are and this is like a little spa here. We have a spa in this hotel. And this is the snack bar over here. This is for guests staying in the platinum room, in our premium room. The infinity pool, they also have a snack that they cook in the day. So in the morning it's more breakfast, in the midday we have like coffee rolls and that sort of things. This is the bathroom, in this case facing the ocean. Shower and bath. But this is a project we are changing for next year. 2025. We will change, we will renew all the bathrooms.
Og ser þetta á. Gera herbyggin ekki.
Já, já.